I've been conducting my research over the last few weeks, and everything indicates the River 2 Pro is the best portable power station under 1 kilowatt hour. Some of my first tests revealed that it beats the industry standard charging speed. Experiment number 110, 0 to 100% charging in only 70 minutes.
We are hearing reports of the acclaimed German scientist Dr. Watt being declared missing.
The capacity is certainly impressive. 768 watt hours by my calculations. It's been able to support essential devices from hours to a whole day usage. Key for survival outdoors, the R2P paired with the 220 solar panel can provide a whopping 1.8 kilowatt hours per day. Earlier today, I charged the device in 4.5 hours using just the energy from the sun. This thing is future-proofed. Experiment 6. Upon closer inspection of the device, I have found the LFP battery. This lasts 10 years with 6 times more cycles than NCM batteries. Referring to the X-Boost, it can be cranked up to 1600 watts to power more high wattage appliances. This has been an essential morale boost throughout my studies. I've been controlling the R2P via my mobile application. This is a massive breakthrough in viewing its live status. The emergency power supply has proven crucial for continuing my work. The 30 millisecond switch time is almost imperceptible. There's no loss in time or loss of essentials. My studies are only just beginning. I believe there is so much more to be discovered. And I think we're getting closer to our goal. Yours truly, Professor Edison Green.